Are you tired of missing deadlines, budget overruns and frustrated team members? Welcome to your ultimate guide to project management success. In this video, we'll explore essential strategies and best practices to ensure your projects are delivered on time, within budget and with exceptional quality. Effective project management starts with a solid foundation. Begin by clearly defining your project goals, scope and deliverables. This will provide a roadmap for your team to follow. Building a strong team is crucial for project success. Assemble a team with the right skills and expertise and foster a collaborative and supportive environment. Create a detailed project plan using tools like Gantt charts or Kanban boards. This will help you visualize the project timeline, identify dependencies and allocate resources effectively. Leverage project management software to streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. These tools can help you to track progress, manage tasks, and facilitate communication. Effective communication is essential for project success. Maintain open lines of communication with all stakeholders, provide regular updates, and address issues promptly. Managing your project budget is crucial. Create a realistic budget, track expenses and allocate resources efficiently. Consider using earned value management to monitor project performance. And then after project completion, conduct a thorough review to identify lessons learned and areas for improvement. This will help you to refine your project management practices for future projects. By following these essential strategies, you can increase your chances of successful project management. Remember, effective planning, strong leadership, and effective communication are key to delivering successful projects on time and within budget. If you'd like to talk to me about completing your project on time, within budget, and to good quality, then contact me, that's Alan, at 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, because we operate throughout Europe, you can call +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.